What's going on? What's up, guys? If you don't know me, I am the one and only. Nice to meet you. If you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button, hit the bell notification button, so when new content comes out, you can see me. Why wouldn't you want to see me? I have this awesome watch that doesn't even work. It's out of battery. Need to charge it. So yes, I am a beginner at YouTube. I only have 400 subscribers, but that's still better than zero. I'm gonna give you 3 tips on how to grow your YouTube channel starting from zero, because I'm kind of a winner. Not winning yet. Won't win till I get paid. I wanna have that YouTube lifestyle, driving a Lamborghini. Anyways, getting off top. These are 3 tips that I can give you that work for me and are consistently working for me. And let's get to it because I'm talking too much. Tip number 1, guys. Getting my Bible here, my tip Bible that I researched for years and decades and YouTubed a little bit and Googled. Anyways, according to this how to get subscribers Bible, step 1, upload a video. Don't be afraid to upload a video. If you don't upload a video, you get 0 views, 0 subscribers. So if you want to start that YouTube channel, start today. Start right now. What are you doing? You're in quarantine. Do it! Just do it! So start your YouTube channel, upload your videos. Don't be afraid of what people are gonna say. Don't be afraid of what people think. If you never start, you can never progress. Upload your first video of whatever you want, man. It can be comedy, can be documentary, can be you doing a reaction video, whatever you want. Just upload that first video. Don't be afraid of those trolls out there. What are they gonna do? Type something on your comments? Good. That means more interaction for you. More, it shows people that people actually interact. What are you gonna say? Oh, your videos suck so much. Why do you even upload, loser? Damn right, I'm uploading because I'm the best loser there is. You gotta be confident in yourself, man. Pick that head up. Upload that video. Don't try to make it perfect because you'll learn as you grow. The first video is probably gonna be your sloppiest video you ever made. And that's okay, because if you don't upload, nothing's gonna happen. So make sure you upload a video. Don't be scared of those internet trolls. Upload that damn video right now. What are you waiting for? Go! Tip number 2, if you already have videos or you really wanna work on your videos, a second thing to do, number dos, thumbnail. You watch any video out there that tells you how to become popular on YouTube, they're gonna say thumbnails. So work on your thumbnails, guys. Thumbnails are very important because that's the first thing people see before they even click on your video. You want to make the thumbnail interesting and not boring, because if you post a thumbnail that's just like this, who's gonna click on that? So instead of making a boring old thumbnail, you can make a thumbnail with words on it, basically saying from how to build a chair, and have a chair in your hand and saying how to build a chair. Easy as that. So work on your thumbnails, guys. Thumbnails are so important. It draws the person's attention. Let's say you're watching my video, right? And then you see those videos on the side. Is it on this side or on that side? I don't know what side. You see the videos on the side, and then you see a thumbnail, and you see like something cool, like a guy flying in the middle of the air with some words, jumping out of an airplane at 500 feet, and you see a guy with a parachute. That's gonna be interesting. You're gonna wanna click on that, aren't you? So make sure you make your thumbnails interesting, because that is what's gonna draw people's eyes and what's gonna make them wanna click on it. Tip number 3, guys, something that brings value to the viewer. That's what they want, because if you have no value in your video, they might not want it. For example, I have comedy videos and I have Amazon videos because I work at Amazon. My Amazon are helpful tips for Amazon delivery drivers or people that wanna work at Amazon. My comedy videos are just things I love to do. I like to make people laugh. I like to make people smile. And some people don't even care about that. They go straight to the Amazon because it helps them with their jobs, help them with their life, help them how to get money in real life, something like that. Something helpful that brings something valuable to the viewer. So think of something you're good at, guys. If you're good at art, make art videos. How to draw a dragon, how to draw a person. If you're good at building chairs, I don't know why I keep bringing chairs up, but if you're good at building chairs, start making videos on how to build chairs. If you're good at makeup, do makeup. I mean, of course, there's millions of makeup tutorials out there, but maybe your makeup style is different than somebody. So don't be afraid, guys. Bring something that brings value to your viewer. How to do your nails, how to do your makeup, how to build a chair, how to get viewers, just like I'm doing right now. How to get viewers, how to make your first 400 subscribers, first 100 subscribers, first 50 subscribers, doesn't matter. As long as it brings value to the viewer, they're gonna want to click on it because they want your help and they want to know how that thing is gonna help them be more experienced in that one genre they want to be in. Use your experience, guys. Use what you have and bring it to the internet, bring it to YouTube, and teach people your ways, because somebody might not know how to do something. For example, even pour cereal. You make a video on how to pour cereal, it might go viral. So as long as you bring value to your viewers, your view count is gonna go up. And remember, like I said, if you don't upload, you won't get views at all. Start today. Start your YouTube channel right now. It's never too late. You might have the greatest personality in the world. People might like that. You might make random videos, and as long as they like your personality, you might go viral, guys. So don't be afraid to start your videos. Start uploading. Go upload right now, right after you watch this, and hit that like and subscribe button and share this with all your friends and family. Go make your video. Create a good thumbnail and bring something valuable. If you have nothing valuable, like me, my useless videos, then just upload and hope for the best. Just like I'm doing. But anyway, hope these 3 tips helped. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate your time for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below and I'll try my best to answer it. I am a small YouTuber right now and I'm hoping to grow, trying to make YouTube my full-time job. So if my job sees this, I'm sorry, don't fire me yet, because I still need a job before I can work here by myself, for myself. I just need the money, okay? We're a family here. Thank you so much, and till next time. So you want to be a YouTuber, huh? That I got, that helped me get subscribers. And upload it. For me, what I found is so don't be afraid, guys. Do what you're good at. What the hell are you laughing at? Shut up!